Ever felt like your lungs could use a good cleanse? In today's world with pollution and various airborne irritants, our lungs can take a beating. But fear not, nature has bestowed upon us an array of herbs that can work wonders in detoxifying and rejuvenating our lungs. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into the realm of herbal remedies as we uncover the top 5 herbs for cleansing and detoxifying your lungs. Number 1. Osha root, nature's lung healer. Imagine standing amongst the rugged beauty of the Rocky Mountains, where the air is crisp and the scent of pine fills your lungs. Here, amidst this breathtaking landscape, thrives a humble yet powerful herb known as Osha root. Also referred to as bear root or Colorado cough root, Osha root, Ligusticum porteri, is not just a botanical marvel, it's a guardian of respiratory health. Osha root's journey begins in the high-altitude regions of the Southwest, where it finds sanctuary in deep, moist soils at elevations ranging from 9,000 to 10,000 feet. This perennial herb, a member of the carrot family, boasts an impressive array of aliases, from Indian parsley to wild celery root, each hinting at its diverse uses and cultural significance. But Osha's popularity comes at a cost. Overharvesting has pushed this precious herb to the brink of endangerment, underscoring the urgency of sustainable practices. So what makes Osha root a revered ally in respiratory wellness? The answer lies in its remarkable medicinal properties. Osha root serves as a beacon of hope for those grappling with breathing difficulties, offering relief from conditions like congestion, asthma, and allergies. Its ability to clear mucus from the sinuses and lungs is nothing short of miraculous, making breathing easier and more comfortable. But Osha's healing prowess doesn't end there. This botanical marvel possesses bronchodilating properties, enhancing blood circulation to the lungs and promoting dilation during constriction. As a result, it proves invaluable in supporting lung function and mitigating the symptoms of various respiratory ailments. Moreover, Osha root boasts antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it a potent ally in the fight against cold and flu symptoms. By bolstering the body's natural defenses, Osha root helps combat infections that can compromise lung health, offering a holistic approach to respiratory wellness. In essence, Osha root is more than just a medicinal herb. It's a testament to nature's capacity for healing. As we strive to nurture our lungs and safeguard our well-being, let us remember the invaluable contributions of this remarkable plant. Number 2. Lungwort, your lung's best friend. As you meander through pristine forests and inhale the crisp, clean air, you may stumble upon a humble yet extraordinary herb known as lungwort, Pulmonaria officinalis. Nestled amidst the verdant foliage, this natural wonder has earned its place as a cherished ally in respiratory wellness. Lungwort's journey spans continents, from the damp habitats of Europe to the coastal regions of North America and beyond. Known by various monikers such as common lungwort and Jerusalem sage, this resilient herb thrives in unpolluted environments, serving as a barometer of ecosystem health. What sets lungwort apart as a lung tonic? The answer lies in its high mucilage content, a viscous substance known for its soothing properties. For centuries, traditional healers have turned to lungwort to alleviate respiratory ailments, from nagging coughs to common bronchitis. Its efficacy in treating lung diseases like asthma and tuberculosis is a testament to its enduring legacy in herbal medicine. But lungwort's benefits extend beyond its mucilaginous embrace. This botanical gem harbors a wealth of bioactive compounds, each contributing to its therapeutic prowess. Whether it's flavonoids with their antioxidant properties or alkaloids with their anti-inflammatory effects, lungwort offers a multifaceted approach to lung care. Moreover, lungwort's presence in unpolluted forests speaks volumes about its sensitivity to environmental toxins. As a harbinger of ecosystem health, it reminds us of the delicate balance between human well-being and the natural world. In today's world where respiratory health is more important than ever, lungwort emerges as a beacon of hope. Its ability to soothe irritated airways and promote respiratory function makes it a valuable ally in the fight against respiratory ailments. But lungwort is not just a remedy for the body. It's a symbol of our connection to nature. As we embrace the healing power of this remarkable herb, let us also pledge to protect the environments in which it thrives. Through sustainable practices and reverence for nature's gifts, we can ensure that lungwort remains a steadfast companion for generations to come. So the next time you find yourself amidst the lush greenery of the forest, remember the invaluable gift of lungwort, your lungs' best friend. Number 3. Mullein, nature's respiratory elixir. Imagine wandering through sun-kissed meadows adorned with vibrant wildflowers, and amidst this picturesque scenery, you encounter a towering figure, crowned with soft, velvety leaves. Mullein, Verbascum thapsus. This ancient medicinal herb, with its storied history dating back to ancient civilizations, has long been revered for its unparalleled benefits to respiratory health. Hailing from Europe, the Mediterranean, North Africa, and Asia, mullein has journeyed across continents, leaving a trail of healing in its wake. Its common name, derived from the Latin word mollis, meaning soft, aptly describes the texture of its leaves, which have been treasured for centuries for their medicinal properties. The first documented use of mullein dates back 2,000 years to Dioscorides, who extolled its virtues in treating pulmonary conditions. Since then, mullein has cemented its status as a respiratory elixir, offering relief to those grappling with a myriad of lung ailments. So what makes mullein a powerhouse in respiratory care? The answer lies in its diverse array of bioactive compounds, each contributing to its therapeutic efficacy. From saponins with their anti-inflammatory properties to flavonoids and phenylethanoid glycosides with their antioxidant prowess, mullein offers a comprehensive approach to lung health. One of mullein's most notable attributes is its ability to alleviate asthma symptoms. Asthma, characterized by airway inflammation and constriction, can wreak havoc on one's respiratory function. However, mullein's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated airways, providing much-needed relief from wheezing and shortness of breath. But mullein's benefits extend beyond asthma relief. Its antimicrobial and antiviral properties make it a formidable opponent against respiratory infections, while its antioxidant activity helps protect lung tissue from oxidative damage. Whether brewed as a tea, tincture, or consumed in powder form, mullein offers a versatile means of harnessing its therapeutic benefits. So the next time you find yourself in need of respiratory support, turn to nature's respiratory elixir, mullein. In a world where respiratory health is paramount, mullein stands as a testament to nature's healing prowess. Embrace its botanical wisdom, nurture your lungs, and breathe easy, knowing that mullein is by your side, offering comfort and relief in every breath. Number 4. Peppermint leaf. Cool, minty relief. Close your eyes and imagine a refreshing breeze carrying the invigorating scent of peppermint, Mentha piperita. This aromatic herb, a cross between watermint and spearmint, has captivated the senses for millennia with its cool, minty flavor and myriad health benefits. Native to Europe and Asia, peppermint leaf has earned its place as a cherished ally in respiratory wellness. At the heart of peppermint's allure lies menthol, a potent compound that lends its cooling properties and recognizably minty aroma. Research has shown that menthol improves airflow perception in the nasal cavity, offering a sensation of easier breathing. Whether enjoyed as a steaming cup of peppermint tea or inhaled through steam, peppermint's soothing essence provides much-needed relief to congested airways. But peppermint's benefits extend far beyond its refreshing taste. Rosmarinic acid, another active compound found in peppermint, has been linked to reduced symptoms of allergic reactions. Studies have shown that supplementation with rosmarinic acid can alleviate symptoms like itchy nose and eyes, offering respite to allergy sufferers. In addition to its role in respiratory health, peppermint boasts a wealth of therapeutic properties. Its antimicrobial and antiviral activity make it a formidable ally against respiratory infections, while its analgesic properties provide relief from cough and sore throats. Peppermint leaf can be enjoyed in various forms, from herbal teas to essential oils. Whether sipped slowly to soothe a scratchy throat or diffused to clear congested sinuses, peppermint offers versatile solutions to respiratory discomfort. Moreover, peppermint's culinary versatility makes it a beloved addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Whether infused into chocolates, baked into cookies, or added to savory sauces, peppermint adds a refreshing twist to any recipe. In a world where respiratory health is paramount, peppermint leaf emerges as a beacon of cool, minty relief. Its ability to ease congestion, alleviate allergy symptoms, and fight respiratory infections makes it an invaluable asset in every herbal arsenal. So the next time you find yourself struggling with a stuffy nose or a scratchy throat, reach for nature's respiratory remedy, peppermint leaf. Embrace its refreshing essence, savor its soothing flavor, and breathe easy knowing that cool minty relief is just a sip away. Number 5. Plantain, the herbal healer. As you traverse continents and explore diverse landscapes, you may stumble upon a humble yet potent healer. Plantain, Plantago major and Plantago lanceolata. Despite its unassuming appearance, this flowering herbaceous plant boasts a formidable array of medicinal properties, earning it a well-deserved place among nature's pharmacy. Native to Europe and northern and central Asia, plantain has spread its roots far and wide, naturalizing across North America and beyond. Unlike its namesake, the green banana-like fruit, plantain is revered for its therapeutic benefits rather than its culinary appeal. The medicinal virtues of plantain have been acknowledged for centuries, with traditional healers harnessing its healing potential to treat a myriad of ailments. This botanical wonder contains a wealth of chemical constituents, including flavonoids, alkaloids, terpenoids, phenolic acid derivatives, and vitamins, each contributing to its therapeutic effects. But what makes plantain an herbal healer, particularly in the realm of respiratory wellness? The answer lies in its multifaceted approach to lung health. Plantain's ability to reduce mucus secretion in the airways makes it a valuable ally in treating respiratory conditions such as colds, sinusitis, and bronchial allergies. Moreover, plantain's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties bolster its efficacy in combating respiratory infections and alleviating inflammation in the lungs. Whether consumed as a tea, tincture, or incorporated into culinary creations, plantain offers versatile solutions to respiratory discomfort. But plantain's benefits extend beyond respiratory health. Studies have found it to be effective as a wound healer, anti-ulcerative agent, anti-diabetic, and antibacterial agent, among other therapeutic uses. Its versatility and efficacy make it a staple in herbal medicine cabinets around the world. In essence, plantain serves as a reminder of nature's resilience and capacity for healing. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us not forget the invaluable gifts bestowed upon us by the natural world. By embracing plantain and other medicinal herbs, we can reclaim our connection to the earth and nurture our bodies and spirits. So the next time you find yourself in need of healing, turn to plantain, the herbal healer. With its gentle yet potent remedies, plantain offers comfort and relief, guiding us on a journey of holistic wellness. Embrace its botanical wisdom, cherish its healing touch, and embark on a path of vitality. Our exploration of nature's remedies has unveiled a treasure trove of lung-cleansing herbs, from the mighty osha root to the soothing peppermint. Each herb offers a unique contribution to respiratory wellness. As we navigate through modern challenges, let us not forget the healing power of the natural world. Embrace these herbs, cherish your lungs, and embark on a journey of holistic well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on herbal remedies and holistic health. Until next time, may your lungs be clear, your breath be deep, and your spirit be uplifted. Take care and breathe easy.